Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can download and install X app on your iPhone. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open App Store on your phone. And after opening the App Store, now tap on the search icon right here and then tap on the search bar on the top right here and start typing X. After you have typed that down, now tap on the search button on your keyboard and then you will be able to see the X app right here. Tap on it and then here you can see a cloud-like icon on my phone. If you have not previously installed or downloaded this app on your phone, you will be getting a blue button written Get in here. Simply tap on it. Then your Face ID or your Apple account password will be required. Simply just type down your Apple account password or double click on the power button in order to verify your Face ID. Then the download process will be begun. But just like this, if you have installed the app previously on your iPhone, you can simply just tap on this cloud-like icon like this. And you can see there will be no Face ID or the password requirement, and the download process has begun. And just like this, here you can see the download and the installation process has been finished, and you can see a button written open in it. Simply just tap on this open button in order to open the X application right now. Just like this, here you can see the X app has been opened, and that is it. That is how you can download and install X app on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.